and putting our lives and the environment at stake for such uncertain a process.
While all this action was on in the main auditorium, our camera captured some vivid moment from the Flight of Imagination, a contest on slogan writing and poster making competition.
Biotechnology is a precious tool for the progress of mankind, spanning the human lifespan, deep informations of body and mind. It's golden age in science technology.
Here's a glimpse of NIOS's quiz, the preliminary written round.
Uniform of human empowerment, bioinformatics environment, genetic diseases, treatment, agriculture, healthcare, energy significant. It's golden age in science technology, medicine through biotechnology. It's golden age in science technology, medicine through biotechnology. Come on, let's build united world, hunger-free.
While the quiz is on in the main auditorium, the online editing department of CMS Films and Radio Division brings to you some eclectic PowerPoint presentations.
The golden mind, biotechnology, triggers of revolution, making fit and fine, fit and fine, fit and fine. Free and peaceful world. Come on, let's build a healthy, good and pollution-free world. Biotechnology is a precious tool for the progress of mankind.
Friends, second International Biotechnology Quest 2011 is on. Prayer enriches the human soul and recharges the spiritual battery. The chief guest, Dr. M.K. Mishra, Vice-Chancellor, Lucknow University, together with the guests Dr. V.P. Kamboj, Ex-Director, CDRI, Lucknow, Dr. G. Chowdhury, Head of Department, Gastroenterology, SGPGI, Lucknow, and Founder Manager of City Montessori School, Dr. Jagdish Gandhi, Convener of Quest 2011, Ms. Deepa Tiwari, performed the lamp lighting ceremony.
All over the world for peace and harmony. May the Lord keep this light always burning.
Thank you, sir, for lighting the lamp of learning.
The chief guest, Dr. M.K. Mishra, Vice-Chancellor, Lucknow University, spoke on a generic topic of the ancient formal education system in India, beginning from Takshila and Nalanda. Dr. V.P. Kamboj, Ex-Director, CDRI, Lucknow, spoke on practical application of biotechnology in bioagriculture and biopharmaceuticals as practically applied in CDRI, Lucknow.
It's a human intervention in modifying anything. Actually, all of you remember that what nature does. Nature has created all of you. Nature has created all the plants and things like that. And nature is continuously modifying them.
Dr. G. Chowdhury, Head of Department, Gastroenterology, SGPGI, touch-based on the use of biotechnology in clinical trials and health.
Since I'm a medical person, so let me start with a story of an individual patient. Now, can you see that video? Now, this is a person who came in with severe abdominal pain and pancreatitis, and you can actually see that we are doing a ERCP, and this is a stone in the bile duct. Okay, this is the endoscope, right? And here was a stone which was stuck in the lower end of the bile duct near the mouth of the pancreas. So we have put in a balloon, inflated it, and we are now dragging this stone out into the duodenum. Now that's the balloon apparatus, and we are giving it a pull, and now you see that stone has just come out. Can you see? Now it's so simple to take out stones from the bile duct using an endoscope known as ERCP. Now that's the part of treatment that we as doctors do, gastroenterologists, but you know, the issue is we have settled one problem, but why did this young person develop these stones and why did he have pancreatitis?
The techniques, instruments, and products of biotechnology augment our capacities to act effectively for many different purposes. To test this knowledge, here is a Neosis quiz final round conducted by none other than the affable quizmaster Barry O'Brien.
First question. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, Loyola.
Greenhouse gases.
Greenhouse gases, absolutely right. Give them a hand. They have a quizzing instinct about them.
Rod cells.
The rod cells are missing. Absolutely right, DPS. Good answer over there. +5 to you. This word first, let's see. Do we have a cross or... So we've got the down. Here's the clue. Any number, sir, as soon as they press, you must call out the mic. Don't wait for me to, you can interrupt me. Any of numerous minute particles in the cytoplasm of cells.
QN23.
That is you guys.
So ribosome.
Ribosome. Give them a hand. Super answer. Reset the buzzer. Now we've got both across and down. So I'm going to give you now the down first. We won't give the answers now, Stanley sir. Once we get both the answers then. Down. The maximum variation from the zero or mean value of a periodically
QN01.
that is Loyola man.
Yes. Amplitude.
Yeah.
Amplitude.
Sorry?
Amplitude.
Amplitude. Amplitude. Good answer. CMS, I beg your pardon, Loyola, +5 to you. Now we're going for down. An acute or chronic disease marked by inflammation of the lungs. Once again, Loyola.
Pneumonia.
Pneumonia. Give them a hand. They're on fire over here. Which mammal has the highest frequency hearing? The highest frequency hearing?
QL09.
09 is Aliganj.
The bat.
The bat. Super answer. CMS Aliganj. The bat. Fantastic answer as they move up to 45. And the last question of this quiz. Which is the only muscle in the human body connected only at one end? Which is the only muscle in the human body?
QL05.
05, that is APS. Tongue. The tongue, which we've been using all this while, is only at one end. Give them a hand. Good answer over there. The finals, ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause, boys and girls, for this super performance by these excellent teams.
Admire the intricacies and the use of knowledge, be it on the subject of biotechnology or awareness of computers, in the website designing competition. Exchange of ideas through discussions and seminars have been proved to be a very effective means of enhanced learning. Here are the excerpts from Confab, a seminar conducted on the topic Green Biotechnology and Climate Change.
Has come when reliance on global arguments and national policies should not be the guiding force behind the actions taken to mitigate climate change, but rather we need to adopt an approach whereby we create a new edifice brick by brick through the grassroots initiative of green biotechnology.
Climate change, a term used every now and then. But what is climate change? Climate change is a long-term change in the statistical distribution of weather patterns over periods ranging from decades to millions of years.
It will threaten all the essential elements of life, with water, food, land, our living, etc.
Particularly every climate change, we all got to produce plants which are able to grow and give yield in such tough terms as drought or silent soils. These plants are very important because nowadays one of the biggest climate changes is a climate change connected with the desertification.
The three major contributions of green biotechnology on mitigating the impact of climate change are greenhouse gas reduction, crop adaptation, production, and increased yield with less surface.
The world's population has topped 6 billion people and is predicted to double itself in the next 50 years. So to ensure an adequate food supply for the booming population is going to be a major challenge for the coming years.
Enter the colorful world of collage making competition, Melange.